metals drive machines, bring light into our houses, transmit words and pictures that cross large distances, and do thousands of other useful and important things. 100 years ago, the success story of Plansee started here. Today, Plansee is the global leader in processing the strongest metals, used for products in the semiconductor industry, medical technology, consumer electronic industry, and many more. For over 40 years, Plansee Japan is part of this unmatched success story.
Plansee Japan started more than 40 years ago with very small team. Now we are 130 people, including very experienced, fresh, from different background, which is very diverse. During last 40 years, our engineering, operation, sales capabilities have been developed, but market has also developed. As market leader, have to run in the front line with our extraordinary activity by one team continuously.
The 100-year success story, full of experience and knowledge, is unmatched. Plansee, ahead for 100 years.